What's up, guys? I found something I thought you might find interesting. So, if we're looking at the market for extremely low budget car audio, I'm going to start this one out with this radio. Now, I've already looked this over quite a bit. I think it's pretty cool. So, it's made by Pyle. Not known for having extremely good quality stuff, but, well, this head unit is $39. And it's got 3.9 out of 5 of its stars. And the ones that give them less than 5 or 4 actually are pretty dumb reviews. So let me go over a couple things first. So this is it says it is a marine stereo receiver, but it does not in any place say that it's waterproof. Just a heads up on that. But it has an LCD, AM, FM, MP3, Bluetooth, USB, and aux, remote control, wiring harness, bing bang Bob's your uncle. This thing has multiple color display, hands-free microphone. It has the USB and the aux plugs on the front of it. It has all the cool stuff. And it looks pretty good. I mean, that's a decent looking head unit, and one of my favorite things is it has a big old physical volume knob. Man, how often do you see that anymore? Not bad, right? Pretty clean. So on the back, there's not much back here. It's pretty bare. Where's that picture? That's the pinout right there. So as you can see, on the back of the radio, that is it, that square box, there is a right, left, front, and rear outputs for an amplifier. There's an antenna plug, and then on the other side, you've got on the bottom there, you've got your power, ground, and remote pins, and then you've got 4 speaker outputs. This actually has an amplifier in it, so it gives you ignition, ground, aerial, and power. The aerial could be used for remote. That's what those 4 pins on the very bottom are. And then the other pins above those 8 pins in a row, are your front, rear, left, and right speakers, 4 amplified channels. So you've got your line out, 4-channel line out, and 4 amplified channels of speaker output. I got to tell you, it's pretty cool. Multicolor display. You can change it up, make it match your system. And it looks like the knob, the ring around the knob changes colors as well. That's pretty cool. I mean, guys, it's $40. I hate to keep going back to that, right? So it says it's got 300 watts of power. It says it's 75 watts by 4. I would say it's probably like 20 watts by 4, maybe 15 watts by 4, but still, it has an amplifier. Bluetooth capable, hands-free calling, 12 volt, 3.5 inch USB slot AM/FM stereo, 30 station memory. I mean, crap, man. What more do you want from $40? You know? And let's look at some of these ratings. So this person says it was $39 on special. I figured I'd give it a go. They're very happy. It's a 5-star review. Used in my SUV, 5 stars. Love it. Simple and easy to install. Sounds great. Bluetooth keeps going. This person says red doesn't work. Only green, blue, and purple show for different colors. They give it 1 star. Okay, it's a $40 radio, dude. Get over your red preference, okay? Seriously. This person says 4 out of 5. For your money, this is good. Great stereo, good powerful output. 5 stars. Went in my van, perfect. I mean, all right, let's find another bad one. This is not a marine grade product. I noticed right away the packaging said nothing about being marine grade. Upon opening the box and removing the user's guide, I saw this model is not marine grade. The marine grade units, there are actually 2, have completely different model numbers as shown in the photo. I bought this for my Gold Wing and I'm sending it back since it will get wet on the road. And he's sending the picture showing the one that is marine grade versus the one that's not marine grade. So in other words, he brought the wrong stereo, and there you go. Bob's your uncle. This person, no English. Let's see what he says. The sound leaves much to be desired. I expected better sound for the brand, but you get what you pay for. You can't ask for much for the price. So this is the only one that said it didn't sound great. But again, he expected better sound for the brand? Really? I mean, I don't know. It is what it is, right? So let's see what else we got. Typical critical. This guy here, hey, he's talking about the red doesn't work. Price. Yep, same. These ones we already saw. Red doesn't work. He'd like to repeat that one. Who Let the Dogs Out? Reviewed in the United States. And 24. This little radio is everything you could ask for. From the sharp-looking display, the music puts out. I got this from my Gold Wing, and it's going to turn some heads with its sleek color display and loud music. Pile hit a home run with this one. Easy operation and lots of sound adjustments. I love my Pile jukebox. Yeah, see? Yeah, this guy, he's still going on about it being not a marine grade product. This guy says it's not waterproof. Again, he ordered the wrong one. Replaced camper receiver, you know. So overall, we've got good reviews on this thing. Forgive me for my congestion. But, well, we just broke the whole internet. We broke the internet, y'all. Oh, there's some of the, there's some of the marine radio. There's a marine one right there. So, he bought this one instead of this one because this one was cheaper. Yeah, okay. I mean, I get it. It does say marine stereo receiver, marine head unit. He's like, well, this one's cheaper, so I'll buy this one. Honestly, I like that color better. But nonetheless, who knows? It may be the same exact thing with a weather seal put in it or something. I don't know. It looks identical except for the color. But that's my find for the day. So for $40, you use your head unit, and it has all the stuff. So that's good. You run that sucker to a little DSP, or maybe just to an amplifier, or just run it by itself without no assistance at all. But we're going to add it to our list of super budget car audio build. If you're enjoying this, be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me comments. Talk about what you think. Do you think it sucks? Do you really want red? Are you insisting upon this one be the marine rated one? Or comments, guys. I like talking to you guys in the comments. Anyway, peace.